What are you gonna have for lunch, babe?
I don't know. I really don't. But we're at the Browns Bay Floating Restaurant, and I'm going to have, I don't know, something.
And you didn't bring your glasses again.
I didn't bring my glasses, but I can figure it out here.
By Braille.
By
Yeah, babe.
I got the Southwestern chicken wrap and fries. Looks great. You got?
I got the one-piece rockfish and fries.
Looks good.
Pretty good for a Saturday lunch.
Absolutely. And the scenery. Pretty good. We're at Browns Bay today. We decided to come for some lunch at the floating restaurant, which is pretty cool. Great view. And now we're just gonna try a little fishing, see if we can get a rockfish or maybe a lingcod. But either way, we're gonna have fun.
Anything that bites today.
It cost me I had to buy a descender. I forgot it at home. And stand by. Nice out here. The seal? Where? Oh.
Hello. Oh, you're right beside me. Hello. Hi guys. Hi. Hello. Hi. How cool is that? They're so tame.
Nice, I can just sit over here.
Right? What do you think, babe? Who's gonna catch the first fish?
I think it's gonna be you. Seems to be the way it goes.
So I absolutely love fishing, but I am terrified of rough water. And also in a kayak, I'm pretty nervous about any whales. So fingers crossed they stay away for a little bit longer.
But it's good to see. There's lots of small ones.
That baby. He's a little small. Well, I got another one. He's just a little smaller than the last one I had. But I'm gonna let him go because there's just not a lot of meat on a rock cod, so I feel bad for keeping the little ones. It's totally legal, but I just feel wrong about it, so we're not starving. We'll let them go.
All right, let's have a good one.
Another baby ling. Too small, not legal.
You can see how the current's picking up out there. It's a little narrow here, strip, and bottom, but I got it off.
Settling down again.
Yeah,
Okay. Nice.
absolutely it is.
You think it was just a tide?
Well, that has a lot to do with it. Okay, let's get a big one. And that's a little one. Got a little guy. Yep. Lots of little ones. And what is it? Another little ling cod that I absolutely... Sorry, buddy. Got you right in the belly. Poor guy. He's all fine though. And that's what I'm using. Cass has a pink buzz bomb, I believe, which seems to be working better. All these little ones, you think there'd be the odd big one. I was just winding up and I caught a little one. Another little ling. Unreal. Come here, little buddy. Let you go. Just a little guy. You can see how fast they're being pushed. Definitely tide change.
Yeah. Just got another one. He's a little bit small. He's legal. He's legal, but I'm gonna let him go because I had a bigger one on that got off. Okay. Woo!
What?
The current has me. I did just a little 360 there. Don't really like that.
Yes.
What'd you get, babe?
I think there are cabazon.
He's ugly.
Kind of ugly, yeah.
You're not gonna eat him?
No, we're not. I'm not gonna even try.
Good job, babe.
Cabazon, back to the ocean. He's croaking and everything. Ugh. Looking at the rocks, you can see how fast we're drifting and being blown into shore, but we're still getting the odd one.
It's hard to concentrate. The paddles, rod, GoPro.
Cass is nervous of the water,
A little bit.
but we're fine.
I got my life jacket.
You got your life jacket.
So Darren thought of this idea where if we catch one, rather than bringing the fish into the kayak, we'll just tie him to a rope over the side. So he's hanging out now. And hopefully this doesn't attract any wildlife. Oh, you got your tail up. Oh, what a beautiful seal. If you've not been to Browns Bay before, they have cabins you can rent. They also have an RV campsite. Tent campsites also. They have a marina to bring your boat. Of course, the restaurant that we ate at today. It's a really beautiful spot. Hi, beautiful. Hello. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I don't want to leave. Should I get you trying to get out of that kayak?
It's always interesting.
Let's see how graceful you are.
I'm getting better at it though.
Are you?
I think so.
Listen to the giggle.
Oh, God.
You did it.
Gibbled over.
Do you want to get me up too? No.
Yeah, I do.
I got it.
Here we go.
No.
Oh yeah, it's much easier when...
I just don't want to get my feet wet.
Well, they're gonna get wet.
Oh yeah.
Hook in the eye.
Got her. Hook.
Downhill's easier.
I'm pretty lucky. My guy's always carrying the kayaks for me because I have a sore back.
No big deal. Once I learn how to use a ratchet strap, I will be better.
So this one seemed to be the hot ticket.
It was either the lure or the fisher, not sure.
This one didn't do as good. Darren caught a couple on it though.
Yeah, but I think pink was, for whatever reason, the color today. Thanks a lot for coming along, guys. I hope you enjoyed our time at Browns Bay. It's always beautiful here, and we lucked out the last couple days. The guy at the tackle store said you couldn't even stand on the dock, so a little bit of current and a little bit of wind wasn't much to complain about today. So thanks again for joining us, and I hope you keep coming along.